Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can unarchive emails in your Gmail inbox in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so in the first step, navigate to inbox on Gmail, for example via the mobile version of Gmail or via the web version on the Chrome browser, for example, and access one of these tabs in your inbox like primary or social. And let me, for example, for demonstration purposes, archive one of these mails. To do that, right click into them, select archive. And after that, the given mail will be archived. You can undo that within 5 or 10 seconds. So let me do that really quickly. And that is going to undo the archiving. However, guys, if you archive these emails accidentally, let's say, for example, now we would like to unarchive them, you won't find any archive folder, specific archive folder in your Gmail inbox. If you expand that list of folders to the left, for example, you will see the trash folder, the drafts, the spam, your inbox, and so on and so forth, but no specific archive folder. However, as you have seen, it is possible to archive these emails. So how can you narrow down your search to these archived emails in your inbox and later unarchive them? Let me show you how that works. So for that method, guys, you will need to apply a search filter in your inbox. So navigate or stay in your inbox, click into that search bar and click into that search options button to the right. And here, guys, you will need to apply a filter for doesn't have, because emails that have been archived haven't been removed from your inbox. They have just been moved from or to the so-called all mail section. And they are located there with other emails from your inbox that haven't been unarchived. So pretty complicated. I'm going to show you how you can filter out these emails from that all mail folder and unarchive them. So what you want to do, guys, is apply that doesn't have filter and type in here label _space and then use inbox, because emails that have been, sorry, not inbox, but inbox, because emails that have been archived will be moved to that all mail folder, but haven't been labeled with the inbox label. So you want to filter out any emails that don't have that label. And that's basically it. After that, simply click into search, and there you go. You will see that list of emails within the all mail folder inside your inbox that don't have that inbox label. As you can see, these are usually those emails that have been archived. So how can you unarchive them? Let me go, for example, with this one here. Of course, you can do the same with drafts. You will find drafts also if you apply the search filter, but we're going to focus only on non-drafts like these here. So these are the archived mails. To unarchive them, guys, what you want to do is simply right click into them. And as you can see, there's no unarchive button. So you will need to move them back to your inbox. Hover your mouse over move to and select inbox. Or you can go, for example, one of these folders, but I will move that one to the inbox. And that's basically it. That is going to unarchive the given mail. You can do that in bulk, for example, select multiple of them, or even click into this button and repeat the same process. Right click or select these 3 dots here. And after that, simply move them to a different folder here to move the inbox. There's that button. And that is going to unarchive basically all of them at once, guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.